I don't know about you guys, but I had, for many, many years, I've had at least 2 dogs. And after my divorce, I had 3 dogs living with me. And I want to tell you what a difference it made having those dogs in my life as I went through something that was fairly traumatic. And they kept me a tremendous amount of company. But according to the Mayo Clinic, and this is from an article March of this year, research into the connection between pets and human health dates back at least 4 decades, with dozens of studies pointing to several surprising benefits. Pets may contribute to improved well-being in several ways. Number 1, they keep us company. That sure was true for me. Number 2, they make us laugh and smile 100%. Wit used to make me smile all the time. All the dogs did. They comfort us during hard times. Whew, I can't even tell you how much, as I was going through my separation and my divorce, that I enjoyed having at least a couple of the dogs actually even sleep in the bed with me. They encourage us to exercise and get outdoors, and that is so true. And they give us routine and purpose. They may also help protect heart and brain health. Chronic stress can contribute to higher levels of inflammation. I'm sure many of you are familiar with that, leading to poor blood vessel health. Article says that pets can help counteract stress. When you stroke or cuddle with your pet, your brain releases oxytocin. This hormone encourages you to draw closer to your loved ones and helps buffer stress. Pets can also inspire you to do other activities that are good for overall heart health, like getting enough exercise. They can help slow cognitive decline. Good. Man, that sounds awesome, because I don't want any cognitive decline, and I'm sure you don't either. Owning a pet may have a positive effect on cognitive health. The 2023 study found that older adults who owned a pet for 5 years scored higher on regular cognitive tests than did older adults without pets. I want you to think about that. Study in 2023 found that older adults who owned a pet for 5 years scored higher on regular cognitive tests than did older adults without pets. You also got some mental health benefits. Pets need us, and it's good to feel needed. They need to be fed and go outside on a schedule. Particularly in times of stress and anxiety, it's important to maintain routines which can help center you and improve your sense of control over your life. I can totally relate to that. All of this might explain why pet owners report improved stress management. Snuggling with a pet can release oxytocin, helping you reduce stress. Pets can make us feel less alone. In a study of 448 people during the lockdowns during the COVID-19 pandemic, the survey found pet owners cope better with the isolation of lockdowns than did non-pet owners. People with pets also scored higher on measures of positive emotions and well-being. The article finalizes by saying pets are no panacea. Pets offer many health benefits, yet they also come with some undesirable side effects. When pets sleep in your bed, you might find comfort, but also pets might move around at night and wake you repeatedly. Like humans, pets age, which can lead to expensive veterinary care, and eventually will lead to the grief of loss. That's true. It was no fun losing Ace and losing Gabby. If you're less mobile, it may be difficult for you to care for your pet. Similarly, some pets can get in your way and jump on you, creating a fall risk. So when deciding whether or not to bring a new pet into your home, take the many pros and cons into account.